Nobody has ever thought that he grabbed any land in Webuye. How come now people are saying that he has grabbed a plot? Thirdly, and more fundamentally, is that this plot that we are standing before here, this plot was advertised by then the Bungoma County Council in 1968 for somebody who can run a petrol station in Bungoma. Mzee applied for it, he got it, he was given a lease in 1970 to run a petrol station. For all those who are born in the 70s and 80s, you must have seen that Ajib Petrol was part of this. So Mzee ran this Ajib, and I think he had another petrol station in Malaba, and another one in Kakamega. He ran this petrol station. The gazettement of the so-called County Stadium happened in 1973 when Mzee already had a lease to run a petrol station. Now, moving forward, January this year, the county government of Bungoma, under the leadership of CEC of Lands, Sasita, gave a notice to people around Kandui here, saying that they gave us 7 days to remove our buildings, because in that notice, the argument is that we're all sitting on the public land that belongs to the county government. As law-abiding citizens, we went to court within those 7 days, got an injunction in the High Court, in the Environmental and Lands Court, and they gave us a hearing which happened 2 weeks ago. In the hearing of 2 weeks ago, the judge found it better that he gives an extension of the injunction for a further 6 months so that we can now hear the whole case. Now, my first question is, one, why does the county government, if they believe that this land belongs to the county government, if they believe very, very strongly that Mzee Patrick Wangamati grabbed this land, why then make that decision to come and forget what is going on in the court? We have an injunction, we have a hearing in 6 months, we have a ruling in 6 months. Why wait? Why not wait for 6 months? Then you can make a decision about it. We are very law-abiding citizens. If today the court came and said that we sitting on the public land, I will have told my dad and my family that let's move out, because we must respect government and we must respect courts. Finally, I want to say this. After analyzing all this, analyzing what is going on in Bungoma, I can tell you without any fear of contradiction that this is about politics of 2027. This is about who is going to be the governor of 2027. The Speaker of National Assembly, in 2 occasions, one when I was present in the funeral of the mother of a colleague, a former colleague of mine in Turkey, where I was there, and he said that they must pull down this building. Recently, when he was addressing the County Assembly of Bungoma, he also said that he must revenge against the Wangamatis. Now, this is not about us as a family grabbing the land. This was between Wycliffe Wangamati and Moses Masika Wetangula, the Speaker of the National Assembly. This is a war between the Wangamatis and the Wetangulas. And I want to tell the Speaker of the National Assembly that, one, if you feel that when I was governor I made mistakes, address me, come after me. Don't go after my father, don't go after my family, don't go after anybody else. Because the other day they were going after my mother-in-law, who is also just a neighbor to this stadium. Mimi kama Wangamati, I'm the one who started this stadium. I cannot be against development. I cannot be against the infrastructure development. My record in Bungoma is very clear. My record in Bungoma, everybody knows. People know that this stadium was started by one Wycliffe Wangamati.